Okay, student, today I would like to teach you guys how to use the calculator, okay? So, if you have this kind of calculator, okay, please concentrate on this kind of calculator. If you have another type, and I'll teach you this type as well later on. But first of all, I would like to teach you guys this kind of calculator. Some of you having the problem of, let's say I have an equation. How can I find the x or how can I find the y? Okay, I give you the example of, you look at example number 2 here. Okay, look at example number 2 here. 7x plus 7 equals to 2 in the blanket of 2 plus 1. Okay, if you are using this kind of calculator, how can you find your x? Okay, so if you want to find based on the question here, so you just step whatever you have in the question. For example, 7 alpha x plus 7 equal, please place alpha equal here, then 2 in a blanket of alpha x plus 1, closing the blanket. Okay, now your intention here is to find out what is the answer for your x. Okay, what is your answer for your x? So how can you get the answer? Please do not press enter here. Okay, please press shift solve. Okay, and another time shift solve. So you can get the answer of -1. Okay, so give you another example. Let us use the example of question number E. Okay, question number E. So question number E, we just type whatever, we follow whatever which is in the question, which is 5 in the blanket of 2x plus 1 equals to 3 in the blanket of x minus 2, close the blanket. Okay, 5 in the blanket of 2 alpha x plus 1, closing the blanket, then alpha equal here. Okay, 3, open the blanket, alpha x minus 2, closing the blanket. Now you have to find out what the answer. Please do not place the equal here, you will not get the answer. Okay, press shift solve one time, shift solve the another time. So this will be your answer, which is -1.571428571. Okay, get the 4 digits at the back here, so you can get the x. So since you know how to use this calculator, practice make perfect. Okay, you need to practice how can you find the x. Now if you have this kind of calculator, okay, this kind of calculator, the method is exactly the same. Okay, using the example of 7x, 7 alpha x plus 7, okay, alpha equal here 2 in the blanket of alpha x plus 1, closing the blanket. Okay, to get the answer, the same thing here, shift solve. Okay, then place the equal here, so you can get the answer of 1 here as well. Okay, so for x is 1. Okay, now we're using the second one, E, as an example. 5 in a blanket of 2 alpha x plus 1, closing the blanket, alpha equal 3 in the blanket alpha x minus 2, closing blanket. So shift solve. Okay, place another time. So solve for x is -1.5714. Okay, clear?